Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If you're new to this channel and you like those topics, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell for notification. On this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process of renovating my kitchen. My kitchen was pretty old and outdated. It definitely needed to be updated. I had old cabinets, I had old countertops. The only thing that was pretty new-ish was the floor. So I wanted to utilize the current floor with my existing space. So stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Okay, so today is demolition day. So what we're going to do today is remove all of the existing cabinets and countertop. So I am looking forward to that. As you know, we did remove that wall that was right there, and then also added that one little wall that's going to be a part of the breakfast bar. So all of the cabinets have been completely emptied, which was a chore. I had my little helpers helping me with the Tupperware and different things. So that was great. So let's go ahead and just take one look at the kitchen before we remove these hideous cabinets and counters. Okay, so this is the finished piece. To say that I'm in love with my kitchen would be an absolute understatement. As you recall, we now have custom cabinets, and I love them because they go all the way to the ceiling. I have new countertops. I opted for drawers instead because I wanted to actually, put things inside of them. Here we are over here. We have a new under-mounted sink, and then also my faucet, my Mrs. Meyer's items that I love. Those are staple items in my home. Now, one of the things that I did with this renovation is, if you can recall, there was a wall here, or a half a wall here. I did remove that, and then I also extended the bar, actually made a breakfast bar area. So we actually sit there and eat. I have one chair here, and then there are 3 chairs that are in the back, and it's pretty big. They're really big, comfortable chairs. Another thing I did was I got rid of my dishwasher and added a beverage center. So I am loving that. This is my breakfast bar, or not my breakfast bar, but my coffee or hot tea station. And I'll go into a little more details about that in another video because I wanted to participate in a beverage center video that was a couple weeks ago, but my kitchen wasn't done. So another thing that I really wanted to do was utilize the corner cabinet space. So in my previous kitchen, there was nothing in the corner. It was just wasted space. So now I have that space. I have the cabinets that go all the way to the top. I kept my existing microwave because it was a Frigidaire and it was only a few years old. I had no problems with it. But my stove actually died in the middle of the renovation. But I am in love with this new stove. It's a regular oven, convention oven, and also an air fryer. It has the 5 burners, and then also there's no exposed element in it. So I do love the stove. This one little drawer right here is for like my cookie sheets and chopping boards. So I do love that. And then in this drawer over here, I have some other items. In addition to the cabinets going all the way to the ceiling, which is a new thing for this kitchen, I wanted some cabinets over the refrigerator because I didn't have that before. So that was a lot of wasted space. Now, this floor plan was a model home when I purchased my home 18 years ago. And with that being said, in the model, they did not have a refrigerator right there. And they had a really nice, beautiful kitchen table. Well, once I actually moved into my home and I put my refrigerator, I noticed I didn't have a lot of space for a big kitchen table like they had. So that's why I opted for this renovation to add the bar stools around there so it wouldn't be so cluttered, but I still needed something here. So this is why I added this little sideboard buffet. It's just additional storage, and I really like the pieces. The photo came from JCPenney. The buffet itself actually came from At Home. I purchased another one and I brought it and I didn't like it. And then I said, oh, let me go to At Home and see. And I really should have just went to At Home because that one was a much better option. But overall, I am loving everything about my kitchen renovation. Taking out that wall or that beam added so much space. Another thing that I did was I got rid of all of the lights that I had and added the recessed light and the pendant lighting, and that really helped as well. So overall, I'm really happy and really pleased with my kitchen renovation. I hope this video gave you some ideas or some things that you can do, you know, kind of think outside the box. A lot of people, they may say, well, wow, you still need a table. Well, I do have my dining room table. So this is just for us when we're sitting, when we're eating, and we just want to not have to go into the formal dining room. This is what we can use. I think that's probably just about it. If you have any questions or comments concerning this complete renovation or the whole process, let me know. Overall, it did take about 4 weeks, and that was with the framers, the electrician, the plumber, the contractor, the fabricator, myself as a kitchen designer, and I think there's one more person I may have you missing. That may be it, I don't know. But anywho, thank you so very much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a divine day.